ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ધોરણ 8 ગઈ વખતે આપણે યુનિટ 2માં એક્ટિવિટી 3 સુધી જોયું હતું. આજે આગળ વધતા એક્ટિવિટી 4 જેમાં આજે આપણે ફક્ત રીડિંગ કરવાના છીએ. એક્ટિવિટી 4 જેનું ટાઇટલ છે સોંગ ઓફ સોંગ્સ, એટલે ગીતોના પણ એમાં જે બેસ્ટ હોય એવું એક ગીત. તો રીડિંગ પાર્ટમાં આજે ખાસ બધા બાળકોએ પ્રોનાઉન્સિએશન એટલે કે ઉચ્ચાર પર ધ્યાન આપવાનું છે. તો જ્યારે હું વાંચી રહી છું એ પછી પોતાના પુસ્તકમાંથી અથવા તો મારા મોકલેલા ફોટોમાંથી ફરીથી વાંચવાની કોશિશ કરવાની છે. ધી ગ્રેટ રૂલર ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા અકબર had 9 gems in his court. The 9 gems were the greatest in their own fields. One of them was Tansen, a great musician. He played different types of musical notes for the king. He played ragas like Malkanush, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. Tansen made some innovations in Malhar Rag and created Mia Malhar Rag. One evening, the king was in his court. He said to Tansen, Ustadji, play something new on your Tanpura and make us happy. Tansen agreed. He took his Tanpura. He started the rag Darbari. The court became calm and quiet. People forgot everything around them. After some time, the king looked up, his eyes bright with praise. Wonderful, he said. Superb. I listen to you every day, but this was the best. Tansen bowed before the king. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world, said the king. Well, my lord, there is someone who sings better than I, said Tansen with a smile. Really? Cried the disbelieving king. Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? Asked the king. Tansen shook his head. I'm afraid he will not come to the court. What? Even if he hears that the king himself requests him? No, not even then. Akbar was very eager to meet him. Very well, Ustadji, said the king. With a smile, he looked into Tansen's eyes. If he doesn't come here, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Asked the king. Yes, but you do not go there as a king, said Tansen. I shall go as a humble lover of music, said the king. Sant Haridas was the man. Tansen told Akbar about him. He was Tansen's guru. He lived a very simple life. He was devoted to music and to Lord Krishna. He lived in Vrindavan, in a hut on the bank of river Yamuna. His disciples were Beju Bavra and Tansen. When Tansen and the king reached the place, Sant Haridas was busy with his daily routine. He greeted both. When they requested him to sing, he smiled and said, I'm not a great musician. I sing as you sing. I left singing many days ago, so I can't sing properly. Tansen, his favorite disciple, could not persuade him to change his mind. However, Tansen knew how to get round him. He offered to sing before his guru. Then, as Tansen sang, he made some mistake again and again. That's not the right note, Tansen, cried his guru. What has happened to you? Said the guru. Tansen pretended not to understand. He made the same mistake again. Sant Haridas was angry. He took the tanpura from Tansen's hand. He sang the rag darbari in the right way. He went on to the next and next. The sweetness of his voice spread all around. Both the king and Tansen forgot where they are. The king realized that Tansen was right. He had certainly never heard any music like this before. He said, I agree. Sant Haridas is the greatest musician. No other musician is so great as him. They walked back silently. Then the king broke the silence. Why can't you sing like him, Ustadji? Tansen smiled. Shahanshah, I sing at your command, the command of the king of Hindustan. And Guruji sings for the one who is the king of kings. Thank you.